everyone! Welcome back to Math A YouTube channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel na ito, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more updates. Our lesson for today is graph of linear inequalities in two variables. The graph of a linear inequalities in two variables is not a line but a region. The solid line or a broken line separates the plane into two half planes. Half of the planes, which is shaded, is called as the solution set of the inequality. So meron tayo ditong dalawang example ng graph. So tingnan natin ang ating first graph. So, sa unang graph, gumamit tayo ng solid line. So, ito yung tinatawag na solid line. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? Kapag meron tayong solid line, the points on the line are part of the solution set. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng point na dadaanan ng ating solid line ay kasali sa solution set. So, kailan natin gagamitin ang solid line? So, gagamitin natin ito kung ang symbol ay greater than or equal to or less than or equal to symbol. So, dito naman tayo sa ikalawang graph. Sa ikalawang graph, meron tayong broken line. So, ito ang ating broken line. So, ang broken line, it means that the points on the line are not part of the solution set. So, lahat ng point na dinaanan ng ating broken line ay hindi kasali sa solution set. So, kailan natin gagamitin ang broken line? Kapag ang symbol ng ating inequality ay greater than or less than. Okay, since meron tayong dalawang line, nakabuo tayo ng half plane. So, ang tawag dito ay half plane. So, merong isa na walang shade at meron namang isa na may shaded. So, yung shaded part na half plane, yan yung tinatawag nating solution set. Lahat ng points dito sa ating shaded region, yan yung solution set. Okay, so let us review graphing linear equation in two variables. Let us graph the equation 2x plus y equals 8. Okay, so let us use x and y intercepts. So, paano ba natin i-graph ang equation using x and y intercepts? Okay, so we're going to let x be equal to 0. So, papalitan natin ang x ng 0. Mula sa ating equation, 2x plus y equals 8. So, 2. And then, ang x will be replaced by 0. Kaya, 2 times 0 plus y is equal to 8. So, the answer is 2 times 0. So, 0 na siya. Kaya, ang natira ay y equals 8. So, nakuha natin ang first ordered pair which is 0, 8. And then, yan yung tinatawag nating y-intercept. Next, i-let naman natin ang y be equal to 0. So, ang y naman ngayon, ang papalitan natin ng 0. So, we have here 2x plus 0 equals 8. So, 2x plus 0, alam naman natin that is equal to 2x equals 8. Since meron pang 2 sa tabi ng x, we have to divide the whole equation by 2. So, 2x divided by 2 is equal to x. And then 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So, our second ordered pair is 4, 0. So, 4 ang value ng x at 0 naman ang value ng y. So, ito yung tinatawag na x-intercept. So, i-graph natin ang ating equation. So, first, we have here our y-intercept which is equal to 8. So, pag y-intercept, nasa y-axis. And then, Ang atin namang x-intercept ay 4 nasa x-axis. Okay, since meron na tayong 2 points, we can now connect this using a straight line. Okay, so another way para mag-graph natin ang ating linear equation ay using slope and y-intercept. Okay, so our equation again is 2x plus y equals 8. So gawin natin itong slope-intercept form. So sa slope-intercept form, may iwan sa ating left hand or left side ang y. And then we have here equals. So itatranspose natin ang 2x. So we have here negative 2x and then copy plus 8. Since this is already in slope-intercept form, pwede na natin kunin ang value ng slope at ng y-intercept. So ang slope natin is equal to negative 2 and then ang ating y-intercept is equal to 8. So pwede na natin tong i-graph. Okay, so using y-intercept which is equal to 8, ilagay natin to sa ating y-axis. So ito yung ating y-intercept. From this point, gamitin natin ang slope which is equal to rise over run. So ang rise natin is equal to 2. And then ang run natin is equal to 1. Okay? So rise tayo 2 steps upward. And then run tayo 1 step papunta sa kaliwa since ang slope ay negative. So we have here 1, 2, and then 1 step papunta sa kaliwa. So ito yung ating second point. Okay, since meron ng 2 points, pwede nang i-connect using a straight line. So ito yung ating graph. Next, another way para i-graph ang equation ay using 2 points. So, we're going to let x be equal to 1. So, tayo ang mag-a-assign ng value ng x. So, kung ang x ay equal to 1, ano ang magiging value ng y? So, we have here 2 times 1. Ang 1 ay galing sa value ng x. And then, copy plus y equals 8. So, 2 times 1 is equal to 2. And then, copy plus y is equal to 8. So, iwanan natin ang y sa left side. And then, equals 8. So, ang 2 will be transposed. Kaya ito ay magiging negative 2. So, we have here y equals 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So, meron na tayong first point, which is 1, 6. Okay? Para sa second point, mag-assign ulit tayo ng value ng x. Okay, kung ang x ay equal to 2, ano naman kaya makukuha nating value ng y? So, we have here 2 times 2 plus y is equal to 8. So, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Copy plus y is equal to 8. So, again, iwan ang y sa left side. So, we have here equals 8 and then transpose ang 4. Kaya ito ay magiging negative 4. So, we have here y equals 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So, ang ating second ordered pair or second point is 2, 4. So, since meron ng dalawang points, pwede na natin itong i-graph. Okay? So, para sa ating first point, which is 1, 6. So, 1 sa x-axis at 6 sa y-axis. So, ito yung ating first point. Next, 2, 4. So, 2 sa x-axis at 4 sa y-axis. So, ito yung second point. Since meron ng 2 points, connect using a straight line. So, ito yung ating graph. So, these are the steps in graphing linear inequalities in two variables. So, step 1, rewrite the linear inequality into equation form by replacing the inequality symbol by an equal sign. Second, graph the equation using broken line if the inequality symbol used is greater than or less than. But if the inequality symbol is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, then use a solid line. Step 3. Choose a test point on either side and substitute to the inequality and determine which point will satisfy the inequality. Step 4. Shade the region where the points satisfies the inequality. Let us graph the given inequality. X minus 2y is greater than or equal to 4. So, para mas madali nating maintindihan, sundin natin ang step-by-step process ng pag-graph ng linear inequality in two variables. Okay, so para sa step 1 natin, kailangan lang nating palitan ang inequality symbol ng equal sign. So, ang ating inequality ay magiging equation na. So, x minus 2y, ang greater than or equal to symbol ay pinalitan ng equal sign. So, we have here equals 4. Step 2, igagraph na natin ang ating equation. So, kaya nireview natin kanina yung iba't ibang way para makapag-graph ng isang equation. So, let us use the x and y intercept. So, we're going to let x be equal to 0. So, papalitan lang natin ang x ng 0. So, magiging 0 minus 2y is equal to 4. As you can see, ang ating y ay may numerical coefficient na negative 2. So, we have to divide the whole equation by negative 2. So, 4 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 2. So, ang ating value ng y is negative 2. So, ang ating first point, ang ating tinatawag na y-intercept ay 0, negative 2. Next, ilet naman natin ang y sa 0. So, papalitan lang ang ating y ng 0. So, x minus 2 times 0 is equal to 4. Since negative 2 times 0 is equal to 0, may iwan na lang ay x equals 4. So, ang ating second point ay 4, 0. Ito naman yung ating x-intercept. So, pwede na nating i-plot sa ating Cartesian plane. So, ang y-intercept na 0, negative 2 ay makikita sa y-axis. So, ito yung ating first point. Next, ang ating x-intercept ay nasa x-axis, which is 4, 0. So, ito yung ating second point. Since meron na tayong 2 points, pwede na nating i-connect using a line. Pero anong klase ng line? Is it solid line or broken line? So, tingin tayo sa ating original given, which is x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 4. So, ang ginamit na inequality symbol ay greater than or equal to. Kaya, ang gagamitin nating line sa pagkoconnect ng ating points ay solid line. So, next step, kukuha tayo ng testing point. So, on either side ng ating plane. So, pwedeng dito sa side na to or dito sa half plane na to o kaya naman dito sa lower part na half plane. So, para mas madali, kunin nating testing point ang origin. So, we have here 0, 0. So, ang tinetest natin dito ay itong part na to o yung ating upper half plane. Okay, so substitute natin ang 0, 0 sa ating linear inequality, which is x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 4. So, palitan ang x at y ng 0. So, we have here 0 minus 2 times 0 is greater than or equal to 4. So, 0 minus 2 times 0 is already equal to 0. Kaya magiging sagot natin ay 0 is greater than or equal to 4. So, this statement is false. So, ibig sabihin, kung false ito, ang ating 0, 0 is not a solution. So, ibig sabihin, yung half plane na ito ay not solution. So, ngayon naman, kumuha tayo dito sa kabilang half plane. So, example, we have 1, negative 6. So, itest natin itong point na to. So, substitute natin ang ating ordered pairs sa x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 4. So, ang 1 para sa x at ang negative 6 naman para sa y. So, we have here 1 minus 2 times negative 6 is greater than or equal to 4. So, we have here 1, negative 2 times negative 6 is equal to positive 12. And then copy is greater than or equal to 4. So, 1 plus 12 is equal to 13. And then copy is greater than or equal to 4. So, as you can see, 13 is greater than or equal to 4. So, this statement is true. So, kung true yan, ibig sabihin, 1 negative 6 is a solution. Okay, so next step, shade the region where the points satisfies the inequality. Since itong point na ito, which is 1 negative 6, ang nakapag-satisfy sa ating inequality, itong lower part ng ating plane or half plane ang ating lalagyan ng shade. So, ang tawag dyan ay solution set. Okay? Since gumamit tayo ng solid line, lahat ng point na dadaanan ng ating solid line ay part ng ating solution set. I-graph natin ang inequality y is greater than x plus 3. Susundin ulit natin ang step-by-step process. So, para sa step 1, papalitan lang natin ang inequality symbol ng equal sign. So, ito ay magiging y is equal to x plus 3. Second step, i-graph natin ang ating equation. So, gamitin natin ulit ang x and y intercept. So, i-let natin ang x sa 0. So, ang ating equation ay magiging y equals 0 plus 3. And 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So, ang value ng ating y is equal to 3. So, ito yung ating magiging y-intercept. Let y naman be equal to 0. So, papalitan natin ng 0 ang y. So, we have here 0 equals x plus 3. Since 0 na sa ating left side, pwede natin i-transpose ang 3. So, we have here x equals negative 3. So, ang ating x-intercept ay negative 3, 0. So, i-plot natin sa ating Cartesian plane. So, ang 0, 3 sa y-axis ay itong point na ito. So, ito yung magiging first point natin. Sa atin namang x-axis, we have here the x-intercept which is equal to negative 3. So, this is our negative 3. So, ito yung magiging second point natin. Since meron na tayong 2 points, pwede na natin siyang i-connect using a line. Pero, anong klase ng line? Solid line ba? O broken line? So, based sa ating inequality, ang ginamit na symbol ay greater than. So, gagamit tayo ng broken line. Okay, next step. So, kuha tayo ulit ng test point on either side of our plane. So, kunin ulit natin test point ang origin, which is 0, 0. So, ang tinetest natin ay yung ating lower half plane. So, we have here y is greater than x plus 3. So, isa-substitute natin yung 0 sa ating x at 0 sa ating y. So, ito ay magiging 0 is greater than 0 plus 3. So, we have here 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So, check natin kung ito ba ay true or false. 0 is greater than 3. So, this one is false. Ibig sabihin, ang 0, 0 is not a solution. Okay, next, kuha naman tayo ng point dito sa ating upper half plane. So, ang point na pwede natin gamitin ay negative 5, 1. So, take note, pwede kayong pumili ng kahit anong point dito sa ating half plane na ito. So, kung gusto nyong i-test yung ibang point, so pwede naman. So, negative 5, 1. So, negative 5 para sa x at 1 para sa y. So, this will be 1 is greater than negative 5 plus 3. So, let us solve. We have here 1 is greater than negative 5 plus 3. So, magkaiba ng sign, kaya isusubtract natin. And then, we're going to copy the sign of the bigger number. Kaya, ang sagot ay negative 2. So, 1 is greater than negative 2. That is true. So, alam naman natin that positive values is greater than negative. So, it means that negative 5, 1 is a solution. Step 4, we're going to shade the region where the points satisfies the inequality. So, since negative 5, 1 ang nakapag-satisfy sa ating inequality at itong negative 5, 1 ay nasa upper half plane, ibig sabihin yan, ito yung ating magiging solution set. Okay, so that ends our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Grace. See you again next